This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about to-go cups, specifically these Asporto salad to-go cups. And they come in two sizes. We have the 16 ounce here and the 24. And each unit is the cup, comes with a lid that also has a cute little heart stopper and a fork, making these perfect for salads, but especially since this lid has a lot of nice features, one being this little stopper that goes in there, allowing for sipping, has a little rest spot back there as well for when it's not in use, and also a little punch out hole for straws. These containers are also great for doing things like smoothies, serving drinks, also dessert, fruit, meals on the go, things like granola. They're just a perfect little packaging solution for a grab and go section for a variety of different packaged foods. This tight fitting lid means that these can be used as nice little salad shakers. You have your salad ingredients in there, add your dressings, your customers can shake them up and make their own little custom creations. And they have their own little fork there, so eating on the go is easy, and they're gonna fit in a lot of cup holders, which is fantastic. The heart plug covers the sipping hole, and you can easily punch out that straw drinking hole if you need or want to use it. These disposable containers are made of recyclable plastic, making cleanup easy and eco-friendly. So they're a great to-go option for a variety of establishments, or if you're looking to do some meal prep and take things with you, say to office or school, and eat your meals on the go.